Hi, I'm Eric from East Bethel, and I have a home Kinetico filter, water filtration system, and the water softener. Just moved in a couple of months ago, didn't know anything about the softener or the system itself, so I contacted Aquarius to come out, give me an educational thing, give a once-over on the system. When Joe showed up, he walked me through everything, explained everything to me, told me where the water lines went, recommendations on the water softener. He ended up doing a full rebuild on the water softener. His recommendation was because it was showing signs of wearing down, and the system was or is about 18 years old. So he refurbished that and then changed the filters on my filtration system and gave me updates on it. Aquarius was nothing but professional. Joe was nothing but professional the whole time. Answered all of my questions, walked me through everything, and it was a pleasure to have Aquarius out. So much that I signed up for their monthly plan. That way I'll never forget to worry about changing the filters or anything along those lines. So I highly recommend Aquarius. Joe, you're a rock star. Thanks for coming through.